Hi, my name is Kael and I'm a ninth grader. And today I will be showing you how to make a homemade shrimp ball. This is all the ingredients that you need to make your homemade shrimp ball. I have pineapples, sesame seed oil, soy sauce, a cup of rice, half cup of shrimp, and bok choy. And you need garlic and ginger. First, you will be needing to chop off your vegetable, which our vegetable is choy. How I like to do is chop off the stem about in the midway. It's like this. You do it for that. All of it. And throw your stem away. Next, after you finish chopping up your vegetable, you will need to chop your ginger and your garlic. So start with garlic. So you punch it down, and then go like this. Same thing with the other one. There you go. Mince them really well. Alright, after you have your garlic minced, next is your ginger. You want to get the ginger very instant. Next, you will need to add your 1 cup of rice and dump it in the pan. Next, turn your heat on and add a glass full of water. But I have a way of measuring out the rice and water. This is where you pour the water in and then you measure from a thumb like till here. This is perfect right there. When your rice is cooking, you add a lid on so when it's boiled. Once your rice is boiling, turn the heat very low and set timer for 8 minutes. Next, you will need a large wok and turn your heat to medium high and at the same time add your sesame seed oil in. After your sesame seed oil is very hot, you add your minced ginger and then add your minced garlic. You will need a metal spatula to stir everything around. Then next, add your soy sauce. After adding your soy sauce, put your bok choy in. You do not need to cook the bok choy for a while because they cook very fast. After the bok choy is done, put them in a bowl. So save it for later and you can move on to the other things. Next, use the same sauce that you put your bok choy in and cook shrimp with it. Next, when the shrimp has been cooked for over a minute, add your bok choy in, your cooked bok choy, and your pineapple in. Next, when everything is cooked, put your rice in a dish bowl. Just like this. And add all of your stuff into the dish bowl. Smells good. After that, top it off with a little drizzle of your sauce left over. And there you go. You have your homemade shrimp ball.
Thank you for watching.